This kind of designs looks very attractive and get more likes. You can post this kind of design on Instagram, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this post in Canva in very less time. So let's get started. So I am going to create an Instagram post design here. You can use this design anywhere, on Instagram, on Reels, anywhere. So first put any photo here. It can be your photo or it can be any other photo, and resize it and make it full like this. Now go to elements here and search letter frames like this one and hit enter. Click on see all, and here you will find many letters frame. So I'm going to write hope. So let's select all the characters O. Now resize these frames and align it like this on the center, HO. To perfectly align this, just select the frame, go to position and click on center, and it's already center. Now all the letter frames are perfectly aligned. Now click on the first letter and click on this stroke style. Click here on the line, make it 4 stroke and change the stroke color. Click on here to change the color, stroke color, and click on white. Now add stroke to all the letter frames here. To do that, on the fastest way, click on this format and click here. This will paste the format on all the letter like this. Okay, so now click on the image and press Ctrl D to duplicate this image and drag it on the frame. Resize this. Again duplicate and next letter and again resize it. Repeat the process again. Double click on the frame and resize it. Perfect. Now press R on your keyboard. A rectangle frame appear here. Change the color of this rectangle to white and resize it and like this. Okay, so we have to change the position to behind this rectangle on the behind of the frame. So go to position and go to layer, drag this rectangle to here. Perfect. Now you can add anything here like text or any style here. See, I have added some text here, and you can also add anything here. See, your design is ready. Hope this helps. Like, share, subscribe for more tutorials like this.